Hello everyone, in this video we are converting from base 10 to other bases. Convert 1492 to base 5. Solutions. One, 4, 9, 2 to base 5. You have 2, 9, 8, remainder 2. 5. We have 59, remainder 3. 5 into 59 have 11, remainder 4. 5 into 11 have 2, remainder 1. 5 into 2 is 0, remainder 2. Take it from bottom to top. 1, 4, 9, 2 base 10 is equals to 2, 1, 4, 3, 2 base 5. Convert 1, 4, 9, 2 to base 6. Solution 1, 4, 9, 2 to base 6. You have 2, 4, 8, remainder 4. This you have 4, 1, remainder 2. 6 you have 6, remainder 5. 6 you have 1, remainder 0. 6 have 0, remainder 1. Take it from top to bottom. You have 1, 9, 2 base 10 is equals to 1, 0, 5, 2, 4 base 6. Convert 1, 4, 9, 2 to base 7. Solution 1, 4, 9, 2 to base 7 is 2, 13, remainder 1. 7 into is 30, remainder 3. 7 is 4, remainder 2. 7, 0, remainder 4. Take it from bottom to top. We have 1, 4, 9, 2 base 10 equals to 4, 2, 3, 1 base 7. Convert 73 to base 5. Solution 73 to base 5. You have 14. Remainder 3. 5. You have 2. Remainder 4. 5. You have 0. Remainder 2. Take it from bottom to top. You have 73 base 10 equals to 2, 4, 3 base 5. Convert 99 to base 6. Solution 99 to base 6. Have 16. Remainder 3. 6 into 16 is 2. Remainder 4. 6 into 2 is 0. Remainder 2. Take it from bottom to top. Have 99 base 10 is equals to 2, 4, 3 base 6.
Thank you for watching.